Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to export a part of a video in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, open CapCut on your PC. Add the video to the track. Now after adding the video to the track, just select the clip which you want to export. Click over here on split. For example, in between these two clips, I want to export this one. Just right click with your mouse, click over here on range, and here click on select by clip. So that's it. When you will click on export, and when you will export this video, only this part will be exported. So that's it for the video. That's how you can export a part of a video in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.